Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about money from your workbook, volume 2, page number 24, third question. See here, if Sweta wanted to buy 4 samosas, Sweta wanted to buy 4 samosas, 2 milkshakes and a French fries. How much would she have to pay? See here, solution write down everybody. Sweta wanted to buy 4 samosas, 2 milkshakes and a French fries. See here, the cost of 1 samosa. Hey, that is equals to samosa cost what beta? 15 rupees. Now you can find out the cost of 4 samosas. The cost of 4 samosas, that is equals to 15 rupees into 4. See here, 15 for the 60. The cost of next, the cost of 1 milk shake. So what is the cost of 1 milk shake? 50 rupees. The cost of 2 milk shakes. The cost of 2 milk shakes, that is equals to 50 rupees into 2, 50 to the 100 rupees. Now next, the cost of COST, cost, the cost of a French fries. That is equals to 40 rupees beta. So you can find out total cost. So the total cost, that is equals to, see here, 60 rupees plus 100 rupees plus 40 rupees. See here, 60, 100, 40. 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 1, 2. That is equals to, you can write 200 rupees. Write down everybody. See here, write down. Therefore, the amount of money Sweta paid to shopkeeper. That is equals to 200 rupees. Next question, see beta. If Mary buys a veg burger, a French fries, and a Pepsi bottle, how much money will she be left with if she had 150 rupees in her purse? Did you understand? ఆమె ఏం చేసింది, ఒక వెజ్ బర్గర్ కొన్నది, ఆ తర్వాత ఫ్రెంచ్ ఫ్రైస్, ఒక పెప్సీ బాటిల్ కొన్నది. కొని ఏం చేసింది, 150 రూపీస్ ఈజ్ గివ్ టు ద షాప్ కీపర్. సో హౌ మచ్ మనీ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ షీ? ఆమె దగ్గర ఇంకా ఎంత మనీ ఉంది? సీ హియర్, ఇక్కడ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. See here, solution. The cost of a veg burger. The cost of a veg burger. Veg burger cost 60 rupees. Next, the cost of a French fries. That is equals to 40 rupees. The cost of a Pepsi bottle. That is equals to 30 rupees. Okay, the total cost. The total cost, that is equals to 60 rupees plus 40 rupees plus 30 rupees. Add 60 plus 40 plus 30. 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 30. So you can get 130 rupees. But the amount of money paid to the shopkeeper. ఎంత పేడ్ చేసింది ఆమె? 150 rupees. The amount of money paid to the shopkeeper. That is equals to 150 rupees. the remaining balance. The remaining amount of money. That is equals to 150 rupees minus 130 rupees. See here, 150 minus 130. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2, 0. So how much money better? 20 rupees. 0, 20 means you can write down. Yeah, next question beta. Dev purchases 2 veg puffs and 1 hot dog. How much change will he get back if he pays 100 rupees? Dev అనేటువంటి క్యాండిడేట్ 2 వెజ్ పఫ్స్ అండ్ 1 హాట్ డాగ్ బై చేశాడు, పర్చేజ్ చేశాడు. సి తను ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 100 రూపీస్ గివ్ టు ద షాప్ కీపర్. ఓకే, సో హౌ మచ్ మనీ లెఫ్ట్ బ్యాక్? Now here, solution write down everybody. The cost of 1 veg puff that is cost 20 rupees beta. The cost of 2 veg puffs. Now we can find out the cost of 2 veg puffs. That is equals to 20 rupees into 2. So 20 2s are 40 rupees. 200, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now next, the cost of 1 hot dog. That is equals to 45 rupees. Okay. So the total cost. The total cost, that is equals to 40 rupees plus 45 rupees. 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 4, 8. So you can get 85 rupees. But the amount of money they paid to the shopkeeper. That is equals to 100 rupees. 100 rupees. The remaining amount. The remaining amount is yeah. The remaining amount of money that is equals to 100 rupees minus 85 rupees. What we get, beta? See here. 100 minus 85. Borrow to this. Here 10, here 9, here 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. So you can get 15 rupees. Right up. Now next one, beta. Hari and his friends ordered 3 pizzas, 4 French fries and 6 milkshakes. 6 milkshakes. How much money would they have to pay? Hari and his friends ordered 3 pizzas. How many pizzas? 3 pizzas. How many French fries? 4 French fries and 6 milkshakes. How much money would they have to pay? See here. Solution, write down, everybody. The cost of one pizza that is cost to 75 rupees. So how many pizzas ordered? 3 pizzas. Then you can find out the cost of 3 pizzas. that is equals to 75 is multiplied by 3. Hey, look at the blackboard, everybody. See here. 75 into 3. 3 5s are 15. Look at the blackboard. 5 taking, write down. One's column of the product and remaining one, that is carrying. 3 7s are 21. 1 is added to 21. You can get 22 total right. So, therefore, the cost of 3 pizzas, that is equals to 225 rupees. Now next, the cost of 4 French fries. The cost of 1 French fries, that is equals to 40 rupees. So you can find out the cost of how many French fries, beta? 4. 4 French fries. That is equals to 40 rupees into 4. See here, listen carefully. Look at the blackboard. 40 into 4. 4 0 0. 4 4 are 16. So you can get 160 rupees. Okay, madam. Now next, you can find out the cost of 6 milkshakes. The cost of 1 milkshake, that is equals to 50 rupees. The cost of 6 milkshakes, that is equals to 50 rupees into 6. 50 rupees into 6. 600 65 30. Cost of 6 milkshakes, that is equals to 300 rupees. So you can find out total cost now. So the total cost of all the items, that is equals to 225 rupees plus 160 rupees plus 300. Write down. 225 plus 160 plus 300. See, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So what will get beta? You can get 685 rupees. Then write down the total amount of money they paid to the shopkeeper. That is equals to 685 rupees. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.